people are normally avoiding the old and the monotonous things, and they are actually preferring something which has more hygienic qualities. And that's what the trend has right now, I can find. And in that, the kind of customers we have a one-to-one interaction with them. And this kind of product has not yet been launched in market yet. The local things which come is not packaged, not a good one. So in that case, what we do is we have brought up a packed one. And since we are not, it is very fresh. Whenever a customer is getting that the product, they are themselves understanding the quality of it. And that has become a trend, and we have created that trend in the small customer segment that we are selling our product. Now I would definitely discuss the kind of business model we have. First, I will tell the problem. The problem was unavailability of best jam and jelly. It was not fresh enough in the local market. You are not getting it. You are getting those same monotonous tasting products, and it also has a kind of harmful preservative. Customers started understanding the matter that the essence and the artificial flavors in the jam and jelly, because those are in the every level. It is written that it doesn't contain any fruit or any such thing, but we brought out and we actually made the entire product from the fresh fruits itself. We were not using any kind of flavors. Then we brought out a new solution, that was hygienic production. People started understanding the value of hygiene. The corona time, the COVID pandemic, it brought out the essence of bringing a hygienic in every product. So we started up, the first priority we gave was to be hygiene. Then we needed a sufficient supply. Since in those pandemic time, we were not getting the local jam and jelly in the market. People were storing it in their house, and there we understood that there needs a sufficient supply in the local market. So we brought out a sufficient supply. Then a reasonable cost was there. And the new change that we brought was a new taste, spicy taste, Indian flavor taste. And what was the best advantage? Like our unfair advantage that no one can copy. That was my grandma's recipe. I can say, like every chef has his own recipe, and my grandma had such. So I brought out those old recipes into a new form, and that was an unfair advantage, I can tell. There were a customer segment that we targeted on. We targeted on vegetarian people. People have dal and achar in their meals, and that was we thought of the first. Secondly, children. Children are very much attracted to jam. Having jam, jelly with bread, it is, I think, every evening snack for children. And then the health conscious people and the gym going people. Before going to gym, people always have some light snack, bread and jam and all those things. So we realized that those things. So they were our customer segment. Then we had an early adopter, that the young people, vegetarian people, and the pregnant. So we are always keeping the pregnant woman into a very special category of us, because whenever we make the product for her, a pregnant woman, we always think of there's no kind of reaction or allergy going on. So in that case, we always take extra care for while making it. The ingredients which we use is not much spicy, so that the women don't have much kind of gastric or any such thing. So we always keep in mind the health factor of a pregnant woman. So they are a very special customer for us, I can tell. So the kind of channel, I would say, there were various kind of channels we used. First, we started the bulk selling with our retail shop, which was very near to us, Loknath Stores. I'll name that because it was very near to me, and I first targeted to them. I talked to the shopkeeper, and then she said that okay, fine, no problem, we can give a try. Then we also went for the direct sales. Since we did a survey, so we knew who were my customers. I went to them, I directly sold it to them. And then we went up, after getting some funding, we actually produced some kind of pamphlets, and then we started doing advertisement, direct advertisement in social media marketing. So social media marketing is quite popular, and it became a trend in those times when it was early 20s, 2020, and that time this social media marketing came into a new trend, and that we used it for ourselves. And social media has helped us to get a lot of orders from different places. I am here, but we are also getting the orders from uh, places which are far away. I cannot go and reach there in direct sales. So there, those were the channels that we use. So this was a quite good structure, I can say that, of my lean canvas, and that was my business model, and I targeted on it.